yourself and check your belongings. For your own
Hello guys,
safety, it
welcome
is forbidden
to
to open the train
my
door
video, and this
before
is
the
the
train
tutorial
completely
for making
stops.
a prototype for
Thank you for choosing PT Kereta Api
perfume
Indonesia.
marketplace
See you on the next
application.
trip.
So the first we will search reference for our website. So the product is my brand is Rosa perfume. So after we make a frame, and we use the frame for iPhone 14 and 15. We can search our preference for dribble, and after that we should learn how the preference website works, like in UI or UX. And don't forget to use the frame
Pelanggan yang kami
for the
hormati,
inside bar,
demi
the
kenyamanan
top
bersama,
bar
mohon untuk
in
tidak
the right.
merokok baik di dalam kereta, di toilet, maupun di bordes. Bagi penumpang yang kedapatan merokok di atas rangkaian kereta, akan kami turunkan di
I think
stasiun
this is
berikutnya.
not
Terima
good.
kasih. Dear passengers, this is a non-smoking train. You are not allowed to smoke anywhere on the train, including the toilets or the landings.
Just move the shape
If you
with
fail to obey this policy,
auto
it is
layout,
required to
or
disembark
just
you at
click
the next
on the
station.
all of shape,
Thank you.
and it will be um, appear the number around the shape. FlexPay BNPL online. This is the UI that we will use for the preference our website, but the color is not same. I put the color is for color hand, the website for searching the color palette. I want to write a name of user here for Alex. Don't forget the primary color is not always for the canvas, but primary color is for accent. Like in this preference is um, the color is not for background, but the background is white. Usually is white or black, for because this is the common color. Like in this Ronas IT UI UX team, they have a application with the green background, not with green background, but with white. We will make the same shape for our landing page for this application, like in this bar. And for the hero or headline categories, we will make a rounded here and circle for the categories. Just copy paste, and you can use the shortcut Control D um, for making it clear. The Control D, it's for tidying up our shape. It will be easy. we will make in this one top right of our landing page is menu bar. And in the left one in the top we will make a notification bar. Just search in plugin Iconify for um, a lot of icon that you can use in making UI UX design. And also don't forget to use your color palette for the accent. And the advice for my mentor is don't use a lot for making the UI UX with shortcut key, because shortcut key or skill it will be change your shape or your text, like in the right bar is 14 and 99 or something, and it's not good for UI UX design. If you want to change your shape or your text, just change in the artwork, in the left and the right of your artwork. And the next is we will make the ads section in the top of our website, our application. You can use in the image setting the contrast or brightness, saturation, thin, and uh, more of that. And after we adding the icon for the categories, we will make the flash sale section, and it will be fulled by the product or the perfume, varieties of perfume. And I will make it terlaris. But before that, we're going to the section. Just search the image for Chrome and just copy paste. Done the download. Just copy paste, or you can use the plugin. The name is Content Reels for folding the image for random. But in this change, I want to full the image for the image perfume. So I'll search in Chrome, and I'm search with the PNG image because the background is nothing. Just copy paste, and don't forget to dyeing your object with the shape in the background. And you can remove the background of image with the plugin. The name is remove background. It is a third party website. You can copy paste the code for using it for free. And after we text the name of the product and the price of product for per milli for me, we just should to copy paste the all of shape, and like before we search the image that we want to sell the product with different image. And in this one I will search. We will use remove background is so easy. If you use the like Photopea Photoshop, it will be um, I think the long way for finish it, or this is not smoother like in Figma. We had a black opium here and a yellow steel and saffron. I'm sorry, there is typo. Jaffra. It's not Jaffra but Jaffran. Okay, we will make our product and the photo and the price and the name is in the same group. We just click right click and click on the group selection, and after we grouping this all of um, shape, we just want we just should to select all the groups and shift A for auto layout, and this will be making easy for our to dyeing um, these groups selected, and we can prototype our website on our application in the right bar with the plugin. No, with the prototype you can click the preview, and the shortcut is shift spacebar for appearing the prototyping, and I'm used here for iPhone 14 and 15. And for the status bar, we can use and we can get in the community, not in the plugin or not in the art art tool. There is nothing for status bar, but you just search in the
Layaknya kamu
community of
menonton.
Figma.
Sesaat
There
lagi,
is a lot
kita
of
akan tiba di stasiun
asset that we can use,
Teginen.
and the
Bagi
first
Anda yang akan
and
mengakhiri perjalanan di
one of that
stasiun,
is this notification
Teginen,
bar.
persiapkan diri Anda. Periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Untuk keselamatan Anda,
And
dilarang membuka pintu kereta sebelum kereta api berhenti dengan sempurna. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda pada PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Sampai jumpa di perjalanan berikutnya. Dear passengers, in a few moments, we will arrive at Teginanan Station. If you end your trip at Teginanan Station, please prepare yourself and check your belongings. For your own safety, it is
after
forbidden
that,
to
we
open
should
the train
to
door before the train
uh,
completely
check
stops.
more for our
Thank you for choosing PT Kereta
prototype
Api Indonesia.
arrow,
See you on the next trip.
like the first, the second frame, the third frame, how it's the setting on drag or on tape or while hovering or on delay. What the hell? We'll add the star icon in our product image, and um, we will make it remake the image because before it's not a die. Just searching or image perfume, an image perfume. Now to give advice for the Jacob Nelson Law in UI UX is the improve is important, but keeping the expectation of user is important too. Like if you want to have an improve, a lot of improve, but the improve is not thinking about how user it feels. It just it works for the application, because the success application is the application that you can use it by user for easy, and the user it will be focused on um, their own want. Like if you want to buy something, they just focused buying, not focus in another, like to learning the our apps. The code application is that use easy for the user, and don't forget to the dying, not just your shape, not just your text in the frame, but in your layers is important, very very important for the tidy your layers, because if it's not the day tidying tidied, it will be confused for you in the next step or in the finals result, or if there is a revision for the client or user. And in here we will make the animation like in PowerPoint for the morph animation. If you know, it's the same I think in here. We just put the asset for the next frame that will be we want to appear in the before frame, and setting in the prototype arrow from the on click and on the and smart animation. And now we just making for notification bar. Oh no, for messaging bar. And in this time I'm confusing for color, because I don't know, that feels good, but I will continue for now. And uh, I will search icon for the paper brand, and we will use the contrast color. In this primary color is orange, like orange. And for the chat we will use orange with um, the lowest opacity. And I'm using technique here, not because I'm put the plain paper plane icon is not for Myconify, so I will not to change the color of icon for directly. So I'm clipping mesh with the rectangle, white rectangle, for changing the color of plain icon. So after that I'm adding the profile photo in the message, like in the um, on a friend's website. And in this icon you will search in iconify. Also you can search in icon post form, and it's same with iconify, but I don't know, my method is say in the post form is not aligned. The image of icon is not aligned, but is SVG or something, I don't know. I forget about it. And after that we adding the shadow in our button. But advice for me, but I'm done do it is, if you want to adding the shadow, just make with plugin, it will be smoother shadow for UI UX, not just for the artwork tools. We will setting the arrow of the frame, like in here for the frame 24 to the our landing page of application is the frame 3 for oh frame 4 for our application. And we will link the icon in the navigation bar for a lot of frame that uh, should to link, like if the customer want to go to the chart, they just must to click on the icon, card icon, chart icon in the down in navigation bar, and just making it linear, and ms is in 300. And smart animation, don't forget, it will be very very important for the animation. And we can just preview our website in the right. Can you see? I want to hiding the navigation bar when we successful there's as a successful payment. I want the navigation bar, it will be slide down from the frame. There is icon successful payment. And now I will adding the all of icon navigation notification icon for frame notification. It will be making easy in the common setting in the website. So let's let's move. Just click on the icon and don't forget to click in the prototype or the right top in your artwork, and it will be appear for the plus in the icon, and just drag that plus and it will be appear for arrow. The color is blue, and just bring the arrow, bring and navigate your arrow to the frame that you want. It belong, and I will say uh, sorry because there is a method that is most efficient and most clearly for this, because this is the tutorial video is for my task for my learning, Figma learning, so it will be um, enough just for my skill for now, and I will be improve my skill for a lot of making tutorial video. I hope it will be improve my skill, hard skill and soft skill.
Pelanggan yang kami hormati, sesaat lagi kita akan tiba di stasiun Bekri. Bagi Anda yang akan mengakhiri perjalanan di stasiun Bekri, persiapkan diri Anda, periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Untuk keselamatan Anda, dilarang
And
membuka
now we
pintu
had
kereta
a
sebelum
half
kereta
of
api
our
berhenti
journey in
dengan
this
sempurna.
making application.
Terima kasih atas
So
kepercayaan Anda
let's
kepada PT
continue
Kereta Api
our
Indonesia.
making
Sampai jumpa di
application, and
perjalanan
now
berikutnya.
I'm just typing all
Dear
of
passengers,
that
in a few moments, we will arrive
have not
at
died
Bekri.
yet
Stay
in
careful.
my
If you find your train map,
application, like the
Bekri
shape is not
station,
same, the shape
please
is
prepare
for
yourself and
common,
check your belongings.
and the shape
For your
is
own safety,
not
it is forbidden to open the
same big with
transfer
another
until the
same
train
that
completely
in the
stops.
same
Thank you for
section
choosing PT Kereta
or
Api
something
Indonesia.
like that,
See
and
you on the
I
next
want
trip.
to clearly and tied my layers because it will be good for me and making easy for the next step. And also I'm taking again the all of my prototype setting and the arrows around the frame, like in the first frame to the next frame, in the third frame in the primary, and the fourth frame is the primary frame landing page. It will be connected with the all of uh, frame. And now we will make a chart section for the next frame, and I will adding the arrow in the top left of the frame for back button to the page before, if user want to back to the before page, and just copy paste the image for and the name and the price for page before, but don't copy paste with the page or the icon that have been connected or settings with prototype arrow, because if you copy paste the asset that is connected with the another frame, it will be confusing um, your design. Like if you running the prototype, the asset it will be flying anywhere, and it will be worse, very worst asset animation. And in here we will making the checkout bar, and don't forget and make sure your layers is in the frame that uh, you want to adding. And I think we just finished it. The in the product section, like if we click on the one of our product, it will be appear the details of products, and it will be appear the bottom for the next step is paying method, and after that uh, it will be appear the bills, and after that we can
Pelanggan yang
customer
kami
can
hormati,
click
demi kenyamanan
the pay,
bersama,
and it will
mohon untuk
be
tidak merokok baik
appear
di dalam
saved
kereta,
for
di toilet, maupun di bordes.
um,
Bagi penumpang yang kedapatan merokok di atas rangkaian kereta, akan kami turunkan di stasiun berikutnya. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, this is a non-smoking train. You are not allowed to smoke anywhere on the train, including the toilets or the landings. If you fail to obey this policy, it is required to disembark you at the next station. Thank you.
actually the good one bottom, if you are making the bottom for auto layout for the text, because it will be
Berdasarkan Undang-Undang Nomor 12
follow
Tahun
the size of your
2022
text,
tentang tindak
but
pidana
like this
tegas.
problem in for me, even though the shape is following the shape of my text, because it will be not in X purely in the middle of text, like it's not synchron, so I will make it with and just copy paste your product in the chart, and it will be easy.
Berdasarkan Undang-Undang Nomor 12 Tahun 2022 tentang tindak pidana tegas, kami informasikan bagi siapa saja yang melakukan tindakan asusila dan
Tadi malam
atau
tuh
kekerasan seksual akan
ini si Yakob
mendapatkan
apa
hukuman berat.
HP-mu di pojokan
Jika
gini
terdapat hal yang mengganggu
tadi
kenyamanan
malam.
Anda di area stasiun maupun di perjalanan kereta
Pagi
api,
dah.
Anda
Manfaat
dapat
ya pas
segera
malam itu.
melaporkannya kepada
Diambil
petugas
bapak-bapaknya dikasih ini aku.
Terima kasih.
Diambil
Based
bapak-bapaknya
on Law
dikasih ke
Number
aku.
12 of 2022 on criminal acts of
Enggak pas
sexual
di luar.
violence, we hereby inform that anyone who commits obscene
Di mana?
acts and/or sexual violence will receive severe
Oh berarti dari
punishment.
dicas ya?
If there is anything that disturbs your comfort
Aku
in the
ketiduran
station
berapa menit
area
gitu.
or during the train journey, you can immediately report it to our officer.
Terus datang si Asraf tuh jam 2 apa jam setengah 3 sama saya.
And after that we will adding the shape for checklist in the chart section, and the example for this, if we check it, the color is not white or brown, but they are not gray, but it will be orange. Pakai yang keretanya ada mejanya.
Apa yang gerbong kedua tadi? Gimana kantin apa? Ada kantinnya. Kantinnya di gerbong yang pas mau gerbong 3. Ada risol nggak? Ada yang cuma makan makanan. Yang itu makan nasi juga. Nasi juga ada, cuma nggak ada. Tanya aja nanti nanti.
Okay, 5 minutes left for the ending of this video tutorial application for making marketplace for perfume store. And the next step is it will be checking the arouse for the prototype around the frame, and just make sure your frame is not um, have same arrow like each other, because it will be confusing animation. And after you make sure your way the flow use user flow for your website. Don't forget to make the icon shape is same, like the common size icon is 20 or 24, and this is the um, result. There is plus icon and something like that.
Ini udah makan. Nanti bertidur tidur nyenyak.
Habis sholat subuh tidur lagi aku.
Udah sholat.
Hah? Udah. Bareng si siapa tadi? Si si Zia Aceh. Pas tidur di luar nggak pegel-pegel badanku, pas masuk masjid juga jadi pegel-pegel gitu. This is the final one. And we will setting the some page is sliding not smart animate, because the complication or of the asset, it will be confusing in the smart animation, and it will be not smooth in the progress. And I will forget to adding the save button in the profile, so I will make it. The first we will make first. And don't forget to use your primary color for your color for like a button, because it will be contrast than the another shape in your page. And this is the finals of save button for me, and I want to making the page for if the user saved her their profile, it will be appear icon saved for to mark the successful um, saving, for saving the profile change. texture our layers, and in this we will make the glass shape with the plug-in glass foam for making the shape it's like a glass is included for background. This is plug-in by cut shape high or in the control slice and apply for your setting in the glass foam. And don't forget to link the button in the page before to the next video. So this the final result.
Lagi.
Pelanggan yang kami hormati, sesaat lagi kita akan tiba di stasiun Haji Pemanggilan. Bagi Anda yang akan mengakhiri perjalanan di stasiun Haji Pemanggilan, persiapkan diri Anda. Periksa dan periksa kembali barang bawaan Anda. Untuk keselamatan Anda, dilarang membuka pintu kereta sebelum kereta api
And
berhenti
this
dengan
for the
sempurna.
result
Terima kasih
for
atas
final
kepercayaan Anda
website
pada
for
PT Kereta Api
this
Indonesia.
tutorial.
Sampai jumpa di perjalanan berikutnya.
So
Dear passengers, in a few moments,
thank you
we will
for
arrive at
joining
Haji
this final
Pemanggilan
video, and
Station.
feel free for the
If
advice
you
in the
end your
comment
trip
section,
at Haji
and
Pemanggilan
feel free for the
Station,
advice
please
to
prepare yourself and check your
the
luggage.
like icon
For
if
your
you
own
like,
safety, it is
dislike
forbidden
if you
to open
dislike,
the train's door
just click
before the
dislike
train
button.
completely stops.
And thank you
Thank you for
for
choosing
watching
PT Kereta Api
again,
Indonesia.
and
See you
I'm
on the next
Zaki
trip.
for RMGA. Thanks for joining this.